Julian, what do you believe are the strengths and challenges of Angular versus React as an architectural or technology direction?
Those have been very interesting experiences. Both of those feel like such a passionate, exciting area for the language to have moved to, compared to, the things coming up out of Backbone or EXTJS, or, things which provided a lot of interest in development in their day. Angular 1 was quite game-changing for a lot of companies. Angular 2 Plus, first of all, is absolutely, it's a beautiful architecture compared with Angular 1. I'm in love with what they've done there. The work they've done around hybrid apps and so on is beautiful. It's a much more, I'd say, structured approach than a lot of the React Redux world. Structured in the sense of, it makes sense to a lot of backend engineers. You have a more predictable project structure, and that's been great. I'm thinking of an example I've seen where, TypeScript models are coming from the back end. Everything's done through very rigorous patterns, and the project is has the code structure you'd imagine on a back-end app almost. You know exactly where to drill in. React Redux, I came to later, and I thought I'd missed some of the sides I was just speaking of. But it's quite different, and one of the things where I think it scores highly is the way people are thinking of async events, the whole event streaming, the whole handling of data. I think where that's a big concern, React Redux is just very compelling. And data being a concern can even mean that you're having to manipulate the data more. It doesn't necessarily mean you're dealing with a spreadsheet app. It can just mean maybe you're dealing with legacy backends, and you need to know where to manipulate the data in a way that is dry, that is going to be performant, so you're not doing it at the wrong points in time. And I think that's for me where React Redux stacks just come out a little ahead.